Have you seen those big balls of air? They're either at the gym or they're rolling around in your house, and perhaps you're using it as a chair. The thing is, the ball can be used for so many different things, and it's not just for doing ab crunches on the ball. You can also use the ball for cardio, for building up strength, for developing endurance and coordination. And I'm running a workshop on how to be able to do all of those things and more. Probably the one thing that you might not know about the ball is how you can manipulate little variables like where you place your hands, where you place your feet, the distance that you have the ball underneath your body, that will dramatically change the intensity of the exercise. So I hope that you will join me at this Swiss Ball workshop for an amazing day of education, learning and fun.